Hi, today I have Redmi 4 Turbo and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. We start off opening Google Chrome application, and then we must tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose add to home screen, not add to home screen option, settings option, and there Google Password Manager. Now we have passwords which our device remembered to our Facebook account. We can click there, enter our look screen, and we get connected to that. In it we can copy our username, copy our password using this first icon, or after we press on our eyes icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. We can also share this password to someone by this icon and share, or we can edit something by tap on edit and write something new in our username, password or note. When you change something, remember to press save. We can also delete this password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.